Hi, my healthy family. This is Archana. So, welcome to Wellness Living Yoga, and also welcome to this session means worthless body move session. So, basically, you know very well this session going to be less than 5 minutes. So, as your flexible time when you're very feeling free, when you no need to walk anything, just applying these techniques and applying these body moves, you can burn calorie. Also, you can practice and you lose some weight and you become a slave. Okay, so let's start another moves. So first, concentrate on your nose. Just inhale, both hands up. Exhale, both hands down. Once more, inhale, both hands up. Exhale, both hands down. Inhale up, exhale down. Okay, now slowly move body forward, then hands will go back. So this one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then slowly body down, forward, knees down. Adjust your both hands, both legs. Okay, then both knees together, just up your both legs. Now adjust your both hands with your shoulder, so like this. And now slowly inhale, push-ups, body down, forward. Your cheek will touch the floor, and exhale, body up. So we will practice 3 sets. Each set will be for the 10 times. Okay, so let's start. I hope you're ready. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then relax yourself. Inhale, stretch back. Exhale, body up. Once more, inhale, stretch back. Exhale, body up. Inhale, stretch back. Exhale, body up. So once more. This is the second round. Relax. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Then relax yourself. This is the last set, so practice. First, now then relax yourself. I hope you are enjoying. So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Practice this for the 10 times, okay? So please subscribe our channel, like this video, share this video, and don't forget to press the bell icon and practice it daily in your flexible time. So let's